Everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, this is the reading for Pisces. Okay, this is the last reading, but I'm really sorry to keep you waiting for the reading, as I was really stuck up with my other readings. Okay, so yeah, one important thing, guys, is that if you want to help, if you wish to help with the donation, the details of the donation will be given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details will be given in the description box below. And last but not the least, if you want to join my 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details will be given in the description box below. Okay, so the detail, so yeah, let's check it out. This is the reading for situationship, how you are feeling currently, Pisces, and what you are going through. Okay, what are the situations you are facing currently? Okay, so yeah, we'll be using clarifiers later on. Okay, so yeah, it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Okay, yes. Okay, okay, so this will be using clarifiers as well if we need it. Okay, so there is a lot of stuck up energies, Leos, you are going through. Okay, you have a very stagnant energy. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, whatsoever, but yeah, you have a very stagnant energy and you want to move forward, you wish to move forward. Okay, and make an action, but you are restricting yourself. Okay, you are not taking any action, any sort of action right now. Okay, you are going through some major rebirth, major transformation, major healing. Okay, when it comes to yourself, your self love, self care, and you are focusing on self. Okay, self nurturing, self love, and self care. Okay, but at the same time, you are waiting for some sort of an opportunity which has not been arrived yet. Okay, it might be career, it might be relationship, but yeah, some sort of an opportunity you are waiting for. Okay, you are going through some major healing, major transformation, major rebirth, major internal clarity. Okay, within yourself. Okay, and you are trusting your intuitions. Nowadays you might be having, seeing numbers 111, 222, 333, 777, and you are getting a lot of dreams nowadays. Okay, and you have to trust your intuitions. That is what universe is trying to tell you. You are getting a lot of universal messages from the universe. Okay, but you are not trusting yourself. You are ending some sort of toxic situations, toxic people, toxic cycle, toxic relationship, whatsoever it is. You're ending something. Okay, and ending a communication. If you were not communicating with in the past with the person, then you are ending that long stagnant energy of non communication. Okay, you are ending it. I also think that you are ending here a relationship, ending some ending a past life karmas, ending a karmic cycle. Okay, you are going through some major transformation. Okay, you are ready to move forward, you are ready to travel, you are ready to relocate, you are ready to move forward into your life and start a new beginning into your life. Okay, so yeah, basically there are a lot of devil energies I can see around you right now. Okay, people are using you for yourself. Okay, but you are not seeing that. Okay, you are being patient enough with a lot of opportunities. Okay, you are being patient enough. You might be dealing with whether Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries, any air or earth signs. Okay, or water signs as well. Okay, so yeah, you are being patient enough. You are trusting your intuitions and just waiting for the right time. waiting for the right time. Okay, when it comes to an opportunity, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you, but there is a divine timing which is playing its role, because you are going through some major karmic cycle. Okay, demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic people, toxic building. Okay, so everything bad is demolishing, it's coming to an end, it's coming to a full stop. Okay, it might be a relationship, it might be a third party situation, it might be a karmic relationship with another partner, whatsoever it is coming to an end. Okay, complete full stop. You are ending everything and you are regaining your power back. You are regaining your courage, your strength back, and thinking to move forward, taking an action to move forward into your life. Okay, you are offering some sort of message, some sort of email, some sort of text to a new beginning towards a person. It might be you might be dealing with a Leo or any fire sign. Okay, Aries, Sag, or Leo, but a new beginning is waiting for you. You are ready to offer a cup of love towards this connection. Okay, and in the bottom of the deck we have Two of Cups. So yeah, it's a kind of reconciliation and a reunion. Okay, you are planning, you are thinking about it, you are not making any action energetically right now, you are just thinking and planning into your head. You are gaining a lot of clarity, but at the same time you are ending something, ending a toxic relationship. It might be, neighbor, it might be friend, it might be relationship, a spouse, it might be a girlfriend, it might be anyone who are into toxic relationship. Okay, and a reconciliation or a reunion is taking place for you guys, or else you are gaining a lot of clarity with this connection. Okay, because you want to offer a cup of love towards that person. You might be into this what we can say is independent energy at distance. You are, at a distance right now. Okay, and you are feeling weak, because this person is not with you, because you are focusing, your whole focus is on your financial gains, materialistic world, material stability. Your whole focus is on that. Okay, and you are regaining your power back. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you are trying to remove all the obstacles which is coming into your way. You are ready to remove all the obstacles which is coming into your way, but at the same time you are focusing a lot on your financial dreams, your financial wishes, your financial life. Okay, yes, you are moving away from deceptive, you are trying to move away, but right now something is holding you back from this deceptive energy. Lies, betrayal, dishonesty, problems. Okay, you want to move away from this disappointing situation, sneaky energies, betrayal, lies, dishonesty, everything is there. Okay, you want to move away from this energy, and you want to move forward towards your happiness, your 10 of Cups. That means you want to be victorious when it comes to your life. Okay, you are ready to move forward, you are ready to take an action, you are planning about it, thinking about it, but right now you are not taking any action, because karmic cycle is coming to an end for you. Okay, you will be taking an action, I feel, in the month of August. All sort of actions will be taken in the month of August. Okay, so you will be ready to take an action, and you will be ready to move forward into your life. Okay, yes, it's all about career situation, like you are going through some, major relationship. Right now you are guarding up yourself, because there is no communication, no, you know everything. You are not focusing on communication, you are not talking to this person, you are at a distance. Okay, you are guarding up yourself, your walls are up. Okay, and you are self analyzing yourself about different things. Okay, you are just into your head and into your mind, you are analyzing every single detail about your life, you are going through it, and you are planning, thinking about it day and night. It is also making you sad and depressed sometimes, but yeah, you're ready, your plan is ready to move, to take an action towards that person, towards the Two of Cups, towards your love, towards your happiness. Okay, but right now you are not taking an action, you are just, into your own zone. Okay, and that's a beautiful energy, because you are just planning, analyzing, but not taking in action. Okay, I think in the month of August you will be taking in action. Second, wow, the third, there's third party involved. For few of the Pisces, third party is involved. Okay, it might be from your side or your partner's side, but third party involvement is there. Okay, so yeah, universe is telling you to don't think from your you're thinking right now from your mind. Okay, don't universe is telling you do not think from your heart, but think from your mind. Okay, think from your brain. Okay, if you feel that there is a third party situation either from your side or the other person's side, but a third party situation is definitely there for sure. Okay, so for few cases, like for few Pisces, okay, not for everyone, but third party involvement is there. And five is all about disappointment, okay, sadness, worries about the third party situation. And if you are dealing with a third party situation, karmic cycle with the third party situation is coming to an end between 29th of July to 31st of July. Okay, you are comparing yourself, Pisces, with others. Okay, so universe is telling you focus on yourself, focus on self love and self care. Do not compare yourself with other person, because your life is different, your person's life is different, every other person's life is different. Okay, and your soul is different, and everyone else's soul is also different. Okay, so do not worry about it. You are tuning in to your higher self. I think you might be getting dreams nowadays. So if you are getting dreams, if you are getting universal messages 111 222 333, if random messages you see from the universe, okay, do not ignore it, do not reject it. Okay, because something, you are tuning into your higher self. Okay, and universe is guiding you, universe is interfering into this connection. Okay, yes guys, let's check it out. Who is your archangel? Like, this is my new deck, you can check it out in the description box below. Okay, so yeah guys, if you wish to donate via Google Pay and PayPal, you can, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so yeah, I just need few cards to shuffle better, because I don't know. Okay, who is your archangel for this month? Who is protecting you? Okay, so yeah. Sorry for the delay, guys. Okay, because I was wrapped up with a lot of things right now, and I couldn't do it on time. But yeah, I'll be trying to upload your reading for the monthly reading in August at first. Okay guys, I have this card. Okay, so your archangel name for this month is Archangel Jophiel. Jophiel, Jophiele. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so your archangel message from him to you. Okay, I activate and embrace divine love. My emotions are balanced. I am clear and joyful. I am compassionate, wise, and tolerant. The qualities of unconditional love, mercy, and understanding emanate from my being. Okay, so your gemstone for this month is Cobalton Calcite. Cobalton and Calcite. It looks like this. Okay, so archangel message for you: are you in love? Are you craving health and feelings of well-being? So his message to you is: become a conduit for allowing heaven and earth to meet at your center. It is time to acknowledge the essence of the divine love in you, within yourself. Take the time to nurture yourself. Imagine yourself in the arms of the Divine Mother. Yes, guys, you are not allowing yourself to tune into your higher self of spirituality. Okay, and that is what universe is trying to tell you, that you have to tune in to the universe, listen to the universal messages, trust to the universal messages. Okay, because it's the best thing you are going through right now. Okay, And yes, guys, so that's all I have for today, and we'll meet next time for the monthly reading of August. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks everyone. Pisces. Bye bye.